Hello everyone. Let's begin with our maths new concept, shapes. There are different types of shapes and we see all these different types of shapes all around us. Today we will begin with our first shape, circle. Okay. The first shape is circle and circle has no sides, no corners. Okay. It is round in shape. Example of circle are sun, ball, mama wear bangle, then bangle also come in circle, then ring, finger ring, right? Then food items like roti, chapati, pizza, Maneko biscuit, okay? Now the next shape is triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. And triangle has three sides, three corners. This is first side, second and third. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides. Okay. And how many corners? 3 corners. 1, then 2 and then 3. There are 3 sides and 3 corners of triangle. And examples of triangle are samosa, joker's cap, hanger. The next shape is square. Okay, square. And square has 4 sides equal. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides are of same size, right? And square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Examples of square are carom board, dice, handkerchief, bread slice. Okay. Now the next shape is rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. And rectangle has 4 sides. 2 opposite sides are equal. See, 1 and 2. These are 2 opposite sides and they are same in size, right? And this side 3 and 4. So this and this both sides are equal, same in size. So rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 corners of rectangle, right? And the examples of rectangle are window, door, envelope, books, refrigerator. And children, what is the difference between square and rectangle? Square has all the sides equal. All 4 sides are equal. Whereas in rectangle, 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. The next shape is oval. Which shape is this? Oval. Children, oval looks like circle, right? It looks like circle, but it is not perfectly round like circle. Oval has one side extended. Okay. So this shape is called oval, and oval has no corners, no side. It is extended from one direction. The examples of oval shape are egg, watermelon, and children, we play with badminton. The racket also is in oval shape, and the food which we eat with spoon, the spoon is also in oval shape, and some balloons are also in oval shape. Children, we have learned few shapes today, right? Now in our maths activity book, page number 13, shapes. The first shape is circle. It has no sides. Okay, and the examples of circle are ball, globe, ring, button. Okay, these all are in circle shape. Now the next shape is square. It has all 4 equal sides. The first example is handkerchief, gift box, dice, carom board. These all are in square shape. The third shape is rectangle. 2 opposite sides are equal. Okay, and the example of rectangle are book, door, TV. Okay. The next shape is triangle. It has 3 sides. And the example of triangle are ice cream cone, samosa, hanger. Okay. The next shape is oval. It is like circle but is wider in one direction than the other. The examples of oval are egg, spoon, watermelon, mirror. Okay. Now turn the page number 14. On page number 14, we have related exercise of shapes. Here is the question. Encircle the shape that matches with the object. Now, which shape is this? Square shape. And which picture is this? Dice. Dice is in square shape. So, from here, which looks exactly like dice, exactly like square shape? Yes, this one. So, we will circle this square shape. Okay. Now, next. Which picture is this? Clock. And this is circle in shape. So, from here, which looks exactly like clock? Which shape? Circle. So, we will circle this circle shape. Next is photo frame. And photo frame is in rectangle shape. So, from here, where is rectangle shape? This? No. Yes, this is rectangle shape. It looks like photo frame. So, we will circle this shape. Okay, next is samosa. Samosa is in triangle shape, right? So, from here, which is triangle? Yes, this one. So, we will circle this triangle. Now, last one. What is this? Watermelon. And it comes in oval shape. So, from here, which is oval shape? This? No, this is circle. And oval is this one. So, we will circle this oval shape. Okay. Now, the next question. Write T for triangle, C for circle, S for square, O for oval and R for rectangle inside the particular shape. So, this is the shape. We have to recognize the shape and we will write the letters beginning with the shape. Okay. Which shape is this? All sides are equal. So, this is square. So, we will write S for square. Now, the next is 3 sides are equal. So, this is triangle. So, we will write here T. Okay. Which shape is this? Oval. So, we will write O for oval here. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Opposite sides are same. Okay. These are longer and these are shorter. So, this is rectangle shape. We will write here capital letter R. And this last shape is in circle. So, we will write C for circle. Now, turn to page number 15. Okay. On 15 page number, we have one more exercise. And here is the question. Draw 2 objects similar to the given shape. The first shape is circle. So, we will draw 2 objects related to circle. We will draw sun. Okay. And another picture we will draw here ball. Now, next is square. Which picture comes related to square? Handkerchief, right? So, we will draw handkerchief. Okay, and another picture we will draw dice. Okay, Then this is triangle, and we'll draw a related picture to triangle. So we'll draw joker's cap, right? And we'll draw here hanger. Okay, then next picture is rectangle, and the related picture to rectangle is blackboard. Okay, here we'll write 1, 2, 3. Okay, then another picture is door. Okay, and the last picture is oval. So we'll draw egg. And another picture is watermelon. Okay, so here we have completed all the related exercise of shapes. Children, you all must have understood about shapes, and you have to complete page number 14 and 15 of Maths activity book. Okay, bye-bye.